crashing that car in front of us.
Freedom.
Welcome to country. Had a great morning going to meeting, doing some spiritual things, and then Doralee over here, she threw a party. It was, I think it was in my honor. I don't know. I felt really thankful for it. But it was a great party. She had a bunch of people over, and then now we all got in the car and decided to drive for an hour and a half together. Where are we going, Doralee?
We are going to Sterling, and we're going to see a demolition derby.
Is it a normal demolition derby, like with cars?
Cars.
And it's abnormal.
And
there's
then there's going to be motorhomes.
There's going to be a motorhome
so
demolition
crashing
derby.
into each other.
But for men, you're required to wear a cowboy hat when you go. So that's why I'm wearing one. And then George up here, he offered me one of his. Jessica, what do you show me what you're eating right now?
I'm eating a turkey leg.
A giant turkey leg.
It's delicious.
Jordan, do you like it?
Yes.
Yeah?
You had a snow cone, that's why it's so blue.
Yep. It's on fire! I'm out in the field right now. The derby's going on. At the derby we have motorhomes, we have cars, we have trucks, and it's a great show so far. I'm taking a quick moment because it's beautiful out here. Let me show you. Absolutely loving it. So I had to run away real quick. The fair is taking place back over there. Yeah. So I'm not too far. I don't know whose field I'm in, but it's a great field and it has a great view of sunset. So I'll be back in there shortly for the rest of the derby.
With the gas floored beats against the dashboard, there goes your bumper. Better get the record warm. You feel like an Iraqi in the desert storm. Yeah, the boys gonna snipe you, they're sideswipe you. Better confidential to peeling you off the wall. You're gonna need a differential and a Tylenol against Bondo Jones. Mind is gone. You total out a Cadillac over the phone. He's a demolition derby. One car can stand, and every woman here is a Bondo fan.
And that's a demolition derby, folks.
Awesome.
George, you like demolition derbies?
Oh, I love demolition derby, especially motorhome.
Especially motorhome derby, right?
Highlight.
Okay, so we're on, what lake are we on, Bridget?
Horseshoe.
We're on Horsetooth Lake in Colorado.
Reservoir.
It's a reservoir, not a lake. Very important. And so people drink this water, apparently. Anyway, we're about to attempt some wakeboarding. Have you wakeboarded before?
No, and I'm not going to.
And, well, I'm going to. So we'll see how it goes. Jordan over here is going to give me some quick run-throughs. Right there, that's Jordan. And she's going to give me the sweet tips on how to do this. And so I guess we'll see how this goes. Jessica's going to film, hopefully. Count you down. Jump in 3, 2, 1. Jump. 3, Richard, what are you doing? So we all successfully got up on the wakeboard, mission accomplished, everyone was content, and then we went to some amazing cliff jumping spots, which were great. All in all, I love the state of Colorado, and I really want to move here, but I'm going to stay focused, keep serving the Lord, but someday, if He permit, I may move out here. Katie's getting us going. Come on, Katie. New big vlogger.
A what kind?
A vlogger.
A vlogger.
You should be a vlogger. Yep.
I am
And
now.
I'm gonna eat a sundae on Sunday.
Okay.
Here, Jess. Eat my peanuts.
And there's Justin, Kate, George,
I got a
and
chocolate.
Neil.